Hi everybody, it's Ethony and I just received the first box of the Muses of Tarot. Yay! So I'm going to quickly go through this deck with you, this deck and book. It's a little bit of an unboxing, but it is a bit of an impromptu boxing because I got very excited and had to run into here and do an unboxing. Look, it's got that petal finish. It's very. So this is a really luxe set. It's quite big. We have our book and our box and our deck. Ooh. So as you can see, this is the box. This was a lot of work, as you're going to see here. So the Muses of Tarot are 13 divine beings that can help you anchor your deck, your readings, can help you get clarity. There are ways to work with them. There is a spread for each one. As we start to go through them all, you're going to see that. And it's really, this came about with my Reader Studio presentation last year, and then also it just came into this full fruition of a deck and a book. The book, I'm so proud of this book, is full color and has got so much goodness in it. I mean, look at all of this book. So there's just so much information in here for you to work through each one. It's all themed, as you can see. So you're going to be able to work through these to your heart's content. So let's go through the cards as well. I'm just going to shuffle her over here because we're kind of running out of space here. So this is the deck. It has silver backed stamp, and so a lot of the elements come from each one of the muses. So the planchette, the skull, the dragonflies, the stars, the pentagrams, everything comes from the muses. It is black matte edging. And I'm going to start. So we have, if you purchase the deck, you also get the companion course, which is going to be going live in September. Okay, so I'm just going to get to the actual muses. Okay. So we have Adoria. She is the muse of love and romance readings. Then we have Adoria's, so for each muse we have the card, an invocation. These are all in like order. So an altar. Okay, so that's Adoria. So if you're doing love readings, or you want to bring in a extra divine element to your love readings, this is the muse to call in. I think it's so that you have 3, there's a set of 3 for each muse. Then we have Brihelia. She is the goddess of, she is the tarot muse. I should show you the pages too. So as you can see in the book, there is Adoria, the muse of love tarot readings. We have the cards most associated with Adoria. We have the altar, her correspondences, her chakras, her spread. And then we have Brihelia, the muse of transition tarot readings. And then we have all the same things: spreads, cards, symbols, the whole works. That's her. She's so gorgeous. I know I'm a little, you know, biased, but we have Crizella, who is the Muse of Clarity Tarot readings. So you call her into your readings when you need to get some clarity around a situation. Then we have Divina. So Divina is the Muse of Prophecy Tarot readings. So you have about her, her cards, her altar, her tarot spread. As you can see, there's a lot to get in with these beautiful muses. I just closed the book, so I'm just trying to get back to where we were at. Delorium, the tarot muse of grief, loss readings. She is a muse to call in if you're going through it, if you're suffering a heartbreak, or if you're suffering the loss of somebody. This is the muse to work with. So we have in the book about the muse, then the cards and all of her work. Then we have Epiphany, who is our muse of, I love her altar card so much. She is the muse of problem solving tarot readings. And so her cards, and then her invocation, her symbols, all of that jazz. As you can see, we're seeing the theme here. Then we have the lovely Holistics, who is the tarot muse of healing readings. So this can be set out, and then you can build your reading around all of this. So I wanted these little these are portable altar cards, so that if you can't have an altar for each one, or you're reading elsewhere, you already have this portable altar with all the symbols that have been carefully curated, like shells, ginger, dandelions, like everything has been aloe, Himalayan pink salt. So everything on these altar cards has been picked out specifically. So Holistics, her cards, and look how this was a writing challenge. This has been a labor of love, this deck and book. And then we have Lolia. So she's kind of a bit of our muse that's very much like Loki. And so she is the tarot muse of cosmic comedy tarot readings. So we have her cards, her altar and her spread, her correspondences. Now our next muse is Lux. She is the tarot muse of money readings, prosperity, and finance. I think I'm pulling that a bit too high. Let's go there. Okay. And finance, money, wealth, and prosperity readings. So her cards, invocation, working with her symbols, chakras, and her tarot spread. So there is a full introduction of how to work with these tarot muses in the book. So you will have all of that information in there. I'm obsessed also with the color palettes of all of this. So Miracly, the muse of reflective tarot readings. So when you're going into a reflective mode, when you want to reflect on choices, where you're at, maybe the past, self-reflection, this is the muse to work with. Then we have Nyx, her invocation, and her... So we've got all about Nyx, her tarot cards, invocation, altar, correspondence, tarot spread. And in the bonus course, there's going to be extra. I'm going to show you step-by-step additional ways to work with each one of these muses. So there's going to be 13 lessons with the muses. So we have Sparks, who is the muse of creative tarot reading. So it can be used for creative writing, painting, inspiration of any kind. So her cards, her invocation, her release, and then we have symbols, and she's so cool. And then we have Valia, who is our mediumship tarot muse. So she is the muse that you bring into a reading with the invocation to work in mediumship reading. So we have her cards, her invocation, the altar, symbols, and tarot spread. And then we have the chakras. So because each muse has a chakra correspondence, or actually 2 chakra correspondences, I designed chakra spread cards, and here you can see the muse that is aligned with the chakra. So we have each one of the chakra cards. So this is actually now available. This has arrived. It's here. I'm super happy because it's taken a really, really long time. Hopefully, is that in the frame a little bit? No, let's move that over. It's taken a really long time to finish this project. I'm super happy. And as you can see through these chakra cards, we have a lot of correspondence in them as well. So we have the symbols, the colors, then plants, animals, herbs, spices, all sorts of things that you can work with these chakras. You can also build tarot spreads around these chakra cards. You can work backwards. So say you're like, I don't know who to work with. Pick a chakra card, or if you feel like your throat is blocked. Okay, so we're going to work with her. So who are our muses? Epiphany, Merrily, and Holistics. And then you can be like, okay, do I feel like I need some ideas? I'm blocked. Do I need to do some reflection, or do I need healing? So you can also work with it that way. Then we have lots, so there's more general information, like so working with multiple muses, comparing them, and then meeting the muse tarot spread. So this is a way way for you to work with the tarot muses, but without you designating which muse to work with. You're allowing your intuition and the muses to naturally come in. So we have that exercise and tarot spread, and then another one as well, and then some ideas and notes, and of course oh, I'm so excited. So I have the introduction is here. There is a really easy contents and index sheet, so you can find if you come up into a tarot card that comes up and you want to know what muse this connects with. Of course I have an easy way for you to find it. I know how we like our indexes. It is, oh, this book, everyone. I know I'm tooting my horn a little bit, but I'm so proud of the work that has been done. This is just, oh, I'm really, really excited for you all to get to know the Muses of Tarot. I was super excited. Like I said, I had to run in here and do a filming. Again, you get that free course. It's going to be going live if you do purchase the deck. And the book, it comes in the box. It's starting to ship now all over the world. This is it. They're done. And then we've got, yeah, I know you all know there's more coming this year, but we have finally one new one arrived. Thank you to everybody who early supported this deck. Your orders are going, I'm packing them this weekend. They're starting to go out this week. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoy, and I'm going to pop the link in the description box below where you can go and get your own copy of the Tarot Muses. And oh, thank you so much for watching.